would like to share with you my original story about two squirrel brothers. It's actually an assignment on my language arts subject, creative writing. Now I'm going to read you the story, The Two Squirrels Who Wanted to Fly. Story and drawings by Iris B. Johnson. That's me. To my teachers from Ohio Virtual Academy, Mrs. Nunley, Mrs. McCoy, Mrs. Green, and Miss Croucher. And, I never forget this, Mommy and Daddy. Filbur and Sofa are tied to vines, pretending they're flying. The Squirrel Bros have a great idea. They think that they could get different materials to make wings. Filbur and Sofa are begging Gimpo Gorilla to sew for them because they don't have hands. They can't hold needles with their paws. Then the Squirrel Bros asked Shelby Sheep for wool because they want to make wings. Then the two squirrels noticed that air goes through wool. It means that they can't use it for gliding. Poor squirrels. Leaves, barks, feathers, petals, and plastic didn't work. They felt very sad. Then they started weeping. Poor squirrels. All of a sudden, an old flying squirrel flew down and said, "When I pass away, I'll give you my skin." That's so sweet of him. And when he mentions I'll give you his skin, he's talking about the skin from his front paw to his back paw, because he was born with this extra skin that he uses for gliding. 8 days later, the old squirrel died. Well, don't be sad. It's just the cycle of life. Filbur and Soulville inherited his skin. They buried him in the nicest spot in the meadow and planted flowers on his grave. They must have been really sad. Finally, they put on the skin and leaped from a branch. They were